Hello everyone, this video will show you how to install the Parameter Water Quality Online Analyzer. Step 1. Open the cabinet door. Step 2. Find the sensor and wrap the threaded part of the sensor with raw tape. Step 3. Screw the sensor into the flow slot and tighten it with a wrench. Step 4. Connect the electrical interface to the sensor. Repeat this operation. Note that the sensor, flow slot, and electrical interface do not need to be matched one-to-one. You can install them at will. Finally, connect the 220 volts AC power cord to the air switch, plug in the power, press the green button, and the water quality cabinet will start working. The above is the installation tutorial of the water quality monitoring cabinet. If you have other questions, please contact us.